So I'm here with Larry, the inventor of the Dipless Brush, man. So I actually had one of these in my trailer for quite a few years. Can you tell our audience what this thing is all about?
Absolutely. So the Dipless Brush was created to attach to an airless spray gun. They have these interchangeable spray tips that control the volume, the flow, and because some products are thick, some products are thin. And we just thought there's an easier way to deliver the product to the surface without having to keep dipping in a bucket.
So it actually sprays paint on the inside.
That's correct.
Of the brush.
Yep, internally fed. And if you want it to actually spray out while the brush is still attached, you just turn your pressure up on your airless sprayer.
Right.
And if you don't want it to spray out, you turn your pressure down. So pretty simple.
So can you just put any airless tip in there?
We're universal, so it doesn't matter whether you're a Graco, Titan, or Wagner fan, whatever you like. You just need to make sure you switch out your tip seat along with your tip because they're not all compatible.
So it looks like you can just have it directly on a gun, attached to a gun, an inline gun. So what would you use that for?
I can use this for almost anything. I mean, fences, interior painting.
Right.
We have a video here running, shows many different uses. So like you have it on the pole there, so you can do it on the deck floor. You can do upper areas without getting on a dangerous ladder.
So does it create any overspray?
So that's just it. Our brushes minimize and eliminate overspray.
Right.
So depending on how you want to dial it in, you can dial it down so that there's nothing. And then if you crank it full blast, you may have a little bit of overspray, but that can be easily controlled with how close you are to the surface.
So it looks like we've got two different devices right here. We've got a gray one and it looks like a wood one.
Yeah, we do. And the reason for that is we didn't want to limit ourselves to just the painting and staining market. So we actually use this as a multi-purpose cleaning brush. It's got a different bristles. They're a little more coarse. And this composite block is chemical resistant.
So you would use this to clean?
Yeah, we actually use instead of using a high pressure power washer, we actually hook our airless sprayer up into a bucket of cleaning solution, whatever you're going to use, and use this as a cleaning brush.
Okay.
And I've used it on many different cleaning applications, and it works great.
So you can actually hook it. We've got two extension poles, heavy duty extension pole, kind of a lighter duty extension pole, so you can use it to do decks, to stain a deck?
Yeah, absolutely.
Without bending over?
Yep, decks are beautiful for this. You don't have to do, like you said, no bending over. This has a angled connector on it. They're standard, industry standard too, so you can get different variations of the angle that you want. So there are different angle connectors on the market. In fact, the one that I actually like best is made by Graco. They have it for their power roller. And it's just a little elbow. It doesn't actually rotate or move, but it has the right angle to use. And that's the one I use in all my videos. As you can see here, it's got just the perfect angle.
Right. So this isn't your device right here, the angle connector?
No, that's industry standard. No, we just made actually the brush with a metal connector attachment. So it's right here.
So let's see that brush. So here's the brush.
Yep, and a metal connector attachment here.
So this attachment goes down inside here. That's what holds your spray tip right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these filaments are a lot nicer than these filaments right here.
Absolutely, because like I said, these kind of more for cleaning. You want something a little more abrasive.
Yeah, I got some fences I'm gonna be staining soon.
Yep. Great for fences staining.
There you go, Dipless Brush. Where can somebody find it?
Diplessbrush.com.
Diplessbrush.com. How long have you been out?
So we've been selling the brush on the market for 3 years now.
3 years.
We get a lot of good testimonials, a lot of great reviews, return customers. The product has been very successful.
So it comes in this case right here, just like that?
That's our starter kit box.
Starter kit.
Yeah, so once you buy the starter kit, you can get replacement brush heads. So once you wear out the brush, you just buy a replacement brush head for less money and use the same metal connector.
Metal connector is probably never going to wear out.
Yeah.
How long do you think this would last?
So we've done some test samples and we've actually used these brushes dozens of times. Over and over again. It's a high quality, made in the USA brush. As long as you keep it clean and make sure you've taken care of it, it should last you like a good quality tool.
So this brush is made in the USA?
Yeah, all our products are 100% made in the USA.
Well, that's good to hear.
Yep.
I like that. One last thing, I see this right here.
Yeah.
I just want to show this option.
Of course. Bring it right out.
So it's attached to a gun right here. So you can just spray and back brush.
Up and
just
down,
like
you
that.
can angle it vertical, sideways.
Vertical, sideways, spray it, back brush. There you go. The Dipless Brush. Cool. Thank you very much, Larry.
No, Chris,
I
thank
really
you so much.
appreciate
It's
it.
been a
Yep.
pleasure to meet with you.
Yeah, you too.
Happy to share the product with you guys.